Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we are doing a cabin air filter replacement on this 9th generation Toyota Corolla. Should be the same for the 2000 to 2007 year models. First we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw on this little shock absorber on the right side of your glove box. I always put the screw back where I removed it, a couple threads so it stays on there so I don't lose it. I'm really good at losing stuff. On both sides of the glove box at the top there's little tabs. Push in gently to the inside of your glove box and pull straight up. You got to get the tabs to disconnect from each other. These tabs right here, and they go on the bottom bracket right there. So you pull straight up to remove those. With the glove box removed, you can get to the cabin air filter right there. You have two clips, one on either side, and your door is directional. It holds the filter in there properly, so make sure you remember how you took the filter door off. This one's pretty darn dirty. Slap a new one in here. If you do need to buy one, make sure you look in the description. There will be a link to buy them in there. And this one, I did make sure that the flow direction was in, or the filter was in the right direction of the airflow. Like I said, your door panel is directional. So the tabs go on the bottom. It pushes the air filter up a little bit. Snap that back on. Make sure it's nice and snug. I always give it a little tug and make sure it's not going to come off after I put the door back on. Glove box. Line up your tabs. Set it on there and make sure they clip into place. Perfect. Reinstall the shock absorber and you're all set. This is a super quick replacement or change. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hopefully this helped you out. I will see you on the next, hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.